Cedarwood works to promote a healthy scalp and to help growth by increasing the circulation to the scalp. It even helps to slow hair loss and thinning hair. Cedarwood also helps to relieve many different types of alopecia. Lavender is, no doubt, an all-round great oil when it comes to various properties that lavender possesses in helping with hair growth. A study done on animals showed that the hair growth rate in mice was faster when lavender was used. Lavender also has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties to help improve the health of the scalp. Peppermint has cooling effects that helps to increase circulation in those areas that needs more promotion in hair growth. Peppermint also has antiseptic properties to help reduce dandruff in the scalp. Research has found that peppermint oil helps to increase the amount and depth of the hair follicles and growth in general. Rosemary is known for its abilities to help one focus and concentrate, but it also has great attributes not only for mental clarity and abilities, but it's also a great choice for your hair. This particular oil is great for cellular regeneration, helps to promote a less itchy scalp. Rosemary is also a great choice in boosting the overall growth of hair and thickness, as well as preventing baldness, graying, dryness, and dandruff in the scalp. Clary sage contains a chemical called linoleic acetate that relieves skin inflammation and helps the manufacturing of oil to help the skin. Clary sage also has antibacterial properties to help relieve rashes. Clary sage is also known to help relieve stress and hormonal imbalances. So for those who have some stress-related disorders, this is also very beneficial for the hair and helps with alopecia. Research has shown that clary sage helps to lower cholesterol levels with the systems of the body and therefore reduces hair loss caused by stress. Lemongrass oil has many healing properties and acts as a natural insect repellent, can also help boost hair follicle strength, help with irritation, and those itchy parts of the scalp. A research study published in 2015 showed lemongrass oil to be effective in relieving dandruff.